Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to do Olympiad math question. This is the exponential question and we need to find this exponent value, which is x. So in this question we will find x value. How to find? So first of all, you can see the 8 and 4 number is here. So can we write this 8 and 4 in terms of 2? So 2 cube is the 8 power x and it is 2 square power x equals to 36. Okay. Now this 2 power 3, so can we exchange this power according to law of exponent? If we have a power m whole power n, so we will exchange the power. We will write also a power n whole power m. Just exchange the power, so the answer should be same in both the case, mn or nm. You can say mn or nm. Okay, so just exchange the power. X is inside and 3 is outside. And here is also 2 power x whole power. This 2 is outside in 36. Now we consider this. Let we consider this. This 2 power x is something another variable, which is t. So it is t cube plus t square equals to 36. Now you can see t cube is as it is and this t square is as it is, and this 36 goes to left hand side, so it will be minus, and right hand side is the 0. Now we will split this minus 36 in the two numbers, sum of two numbers. So it is t cube and t square minus 36. We will write 27 minus 9. Minus 27 minus 9 is minus 36 equal to 0. Now this t cube is as it is and this 27 we will write here with t cube, and this t square and minus 9, this is as it is, okay, equal to 0. Now after that this t cube is as it is and 27, can we write this 27 is the 3 cube, so that it will t cube and 3 cube, so it will make the identity a cube minus b cube, and here the identity is 9. Can we write this 9 is 3 square, 3 square is the 9, so here the identity is a square minus b square. So t cube minus this identity is a cube minus b cube, which is equal to a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab, and this identity is a square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b. So we will apply this identity here. So here the a is t and b is 3. So a minus b, it means it is t minus 3, and then a square plus b square plus ab. A square means t square, b square means 3 square, ab means t into 3 is 3t. Okay. Now you can see here a square minus b square, we are using identity this. So which a minus b and a plus b. A minus b means t minus 3 and t plus 3. Now in full equation you can see here t minus 3 and t minus 3 is the common part. Okay, so inside is t square plus 3 square is the 9. It is 3t, and it is t plus 3. T plus 3 equal to 0. Then t minus 3 is as it is, and it is t square. Then 3t plus t, which is equal to 4t, and 9 plus 3 is the 12 equal to 0. So these are the two factors here. One is the, you can see the t minus 3 factor, and other is the quadratic factor, quadratic polynomial, t square plus 4t plus 12 equal to 0. These are two factors. So the first factor is t minus 3, which is equal to 0. So t equals to 3. Now recall what is our t. T we will consider 2 power x equals to 3. Okay. So it is the t value from here. Now how to find this x value? Now 2 power x equals to 3. Now here we will applying the logarithm rule. We know that if a power x equals to b, so by applying the log rule, so this x value is log of b and base is a. Okay, so same thing we are applying here. So 2 power x equals to 3, which is a is the 2 here and b is 3. So x value is log of 3 and in base 2. So this is our x value. Now consider the second equation. Second equation is the quadratic equation, t square plus 4t plus 12. So first of all we will find the discriminant. Discriminant equals to d equals to b square minus 4ac. b square here 4 square minus 4 into a means 1 and c is the 12. So 4 square is 16 and 16 minus 12 4s are 48, which is equal to 32, negative 32. So discriminant is negative. If the discriminant value is negative, so its value will be not real. So it is not real. So here the x value is not possible, because here the t value is not possible. If t value is not possible, so t is our 2 power x, so x value is not possible. So we have only one solution, x equals to log 3 in base 2. So now how to verify this answer is correct or not? So to check, our question is 8 power x plus 4 power x equals to 36. Okay. Now in this step we will assume this is 2 cube and 2 square. So we have to check this answer from here. 2 power x whole power 3 and 2 power x whole power 2 equals to 36. Just put the value x here. 2 power log 2 3 in base 2 and here 3, and whole it is 3 whole cube. Same thing, 2 power log 3 in base 2 whole square equals to 36. Now we know that this rule, according to log rule, we know that if 2 power log 2 3, if this base is equal to this number, so the answer is always 3. So it is 3, and remember that the power is the also 3. Same thing, this is 2 and 2, so here the 2, and this is 2 and 2, so here this 3, this 3. Okay, according to log rule. So and power is 2 equals to 36. So 3 cube is the 27 and 3 square is the 9. Now check, 27 plus 9 is always 36. So our value, this value x equals to log 3 in base 2 is correct. So hope you have understood this question, and if you like this video, like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you and thanks for watching.